In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a file in the root directory with Hubspot CMS. Whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or just getting started, setting a file in the root can be crucial for tasks like verifying your domain or configuring website settings. To begin this process, let's first head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is your central hub for accessing all the tools and features HubSpot has to offer. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the familiar HubSpot layout welcoming you. Next, we're going to log into your HubSpot account. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll find the Login button. Click on it and it will prompt you to enter your credentials, your email and password. If you're already logged in, HubSpot will take you straight to your main dashboard. Once logged in, you're on the HubSpot home. Here you have various options at your disposal, ranging from CRM tools and marketing insights to file management. Our focus today is on managing files, which we'll do by accessing the library. From the HubSpot home, look for the library in your navigation menu. This section houses all of your stored documents, media files, and any other assets you might have saved within HubSpot. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now you should see a list of options after clicking on library. Go ahead and select files. This category is specifically dedicated to all files you've uploaded and stored within HubSpot. If you haven't uploaded your file yet, now would be a good time to do so by clicking the upload button and selecting your desired file from your computer. With your file uploaded, the next action is to click on Details. You'll find this option beside each file once you've selected it. By doing so, it reveals more in-depth information about the file, including its size, upload date, and more importantly, its URL. Finally, your goal here is to secure the file URL. By selecting this, HubSpot will show the URL where your file is located. This URL is essential, especially if you need the link for third-party services or to complete tasks that require URL verification. And there you have it, you've successfully set a file in the root directory with HubSpot CMS. Remember, having the right file in the root can help streamline various setup processes for your website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're all set for your HubSpot environment. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources or reach out to the HubSpot community for support. Enjoy navigating your HubSpot files with ease.